Hello and welcome to this new version of Jarvis. This short video, I'm going to show you my new development in regards to my program. Currently, Jarvis support multi-vendor environment. So I have an Arista switch over here. I also have Cisco switch right here and then a Cisco router. We're going to connect to all these devices using the same script, same code, but with a tweak in program programming so that the script can support multi-vendor environment. So without wasting much time, I have my switches over here. So this is the IP address for the Arista switch. So I have show version, which shows me that it's a VOS for Arista, and this is Cisco router IOSV, the Cisco switch. So I'll fire up my terminal, and once again, Python Jarvis 2.6. That's for development. You should move to 2.0. So once again, I'll fire up, and I've also improved text mode interactivity or text mode display for my code. So I'll enter the username on my remote device and the password. Now enter the IP address. I'll start with the Arista. So the Arista has an IP address of 137.5. Okay, so I'll type the IP address 137.5. Now, here's the magic. So we have the option to select different platforms, either for Cisco or Arista. So I'm working with Arista. So I'll start with Arista EOS. And as you can see, it will connect to the device successfully. As you can see, we are connected to the device and we can audit the device. So get the running configuration. Let's press on 1 or 2 to skip, but then I'll press on 1 and then the command has been executed. Let's print to the console, and as you can see, that's the configuration on the switch. So we move to phase 2 and I'll type 1 to get the interface configuration. It has executed successfully. I'll press on 2, get the interface configuration for the Arista switch, and then you can move on to phase 3. So press on 1. As you can see, show IP interface brief also works on Arista switch, and I'll print to console, and as you can see, that's the same IP address I have over here, right? So now this is the newest feature together with the multi-platform connectivity. Now we have the option to run the script again without the script pausing or the script timing out or the connection being disconnected. Now, we kind of use the terminal or terminal lines or terminal programs, emulation programs like Party to connect to switches, and then the iOS on every switch is like a textbook where you have chapters and then sub pages and direct. So we are currently in the loop on the switch, and then for as long as I leave it on, it will never disconnect. That's how I've programmed the code. So now the script is asking us to either choose to run the script again or either say no. So for me, I would choose to run the script again because the first round I went for auditing. I can type yes, and then I don't have any configuration for the Arista switch now, so I'll go to the user mode where I have the privilege to type any command that I want. So what do I want to type? I will type show IP interface brief, and as you can see, the command has been executed, and I can print console. So that's it. And it has to ask me again, do you want to run the script again? Okay, I'll say yes. Let me show you a new feature that I've also added. I'll go to user mode and I'll type anything, roughly anything, and I'll press on that. As you can see, command has executed successfully. Mind you, you are interacting with a switch. Whatever you type here will be typed on the switch. The switch will give you a feedback, and of course, the switch will say invalid input. Do you want to run script again? I'll say no. So thanks for watching. This is one of the newest features, multi-vendor support, improved interactive text mode with the program, and also the ability to run the script and type in the credentials again. So we are in a loop that we can log out by default unless we choose. Thanks for watching.